Within the first 5 days of launching this Facebook ads for a client of ours, we've generated 12 exclusive full kitchen remodel leads at a cost per lead of $18 with $217 in ad spend so far. And in this case study, I'm going to go over how we set up these campaigns in terms of the ad sets, targeting, and the ad creatives. And before we go any further, I just want to show you some results of the leads that we generated. So whenever a lead is generated, the leads information will be delivered to our end clients instantly via SMS and email. And I'm going to go over our lead generation funnel in this video, how it consistently generates leads. And we have this backend automation where it's going to follow up, pre-qualify the leads further, and it's going to do all that. All right, now let's start with the targeting. Now, for our targeting, again, we're running $50 a day for the start, and then we can scale from there. For location targeting, we're targeting clients targeting 20-kilometer radius of their service area. For age, normally we go after 33 to 64 because normally these are homeowners. Genders, we leave it at all genders. And detailed targeting, we're going to leave it broad because Meta's algorithm is now smart enough to know who to show the ads to, who are, more likely interested in kitchen renovation and are in the market looking for it. So that's for that. So yeah, let's talk about our video ad creatives. So I just want to show an example of what our video ad creatives look like. So for our clients, we come up with 3 to 5 different ad creatives. We test different hooks, different angles, and then we let Facebook decide the winner based on market feedback. And I just want to run this quick video by you. There's a part of the video where we blurred out the offer because we didn't receive permission from the client to share it, but you just want to get the idea of what the ads look like.
We're looking for 5 outdated kitchens in London that are ready for a full remodel. Projects start at $15,000, and to qualify, your kitchen must be at least 10 years old, and you should be ready to begin within the next 60 days. If you think your kitchen might be a fit, tap the Learn More button below, answer a few quick questions, and we'll be in touch soon.
All right, now this is our lead generation funnel. Now our lead generation funnel starts with the offer. The biggest factor of a successful ad campaign is going to be the offer. It doesn't matter what platform you're using, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, because those are just a vehicle to show the ads to people. The most important thing is going to be the offer. You're going to want to come up with a unique offer, stand out from everybody else in your market. And once you find that winning offer, we're going to create the video ad creatives. Sometimes we use image ads. Mostly we create video ad creatives. And then we're going to run meta ads to the offer. Now, right after people see the ads, they're interested, they're going to click get a quote or learn more. Then we're going to ask them 4 to 6 pre-qualification questions to have the leads pre-qualify themselves. And once they submit that form, we're not going to assume that they're legit leads right away, because on Facebook, you're going to have people who are going to fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are going to put a wrong phone number and some are just not serious. So that's why we have this system here. When the leads submit the form, it just comes to our system as a new lead. We're going to follow up with them with an SMS to make sure that they actually want an in-home consultation or an estimate. Once they reply with a yes, that's where we count as a pre-qualified lead. And then our clients are going to receive an immediate SMS and email of the leads information, like right here. Whatever the qualification question were on the form, they're going to receive everything: name, phone number, email, city, if they're a homeowner, age of the current kitchen, timeline to start, and any other question we might have, they're going to receive that. It's going to say hot new Facebook lead, call them ASAP during business hours. Now, right after that, seconds after that, we have this feature called the call trigger feature, which is going to call your front desk, and it's going to call the lead, and it's going to bridge the calls, which is going to ensure that you're calling the leads in 2 minutes, because it's important. It's like generating like lead generation is like not even half the battle, because generating leads is the easy part. The most important thing is what happens after you generate that leads, which is the most important thing is you're going to want to have you're going to want to call the leads within 5 minutes, because this increases the chance of you actually getting on the phone with them. So you want to call them the moment they're more emotionally invested, because they saw that they're interested. So you want to get them on that, phone to get book that either in-home estimate or phone consultation, whatever way you want to do it. You set that appointment and then you show up, give the estimate, close, you take it from there. Now, in case the leads don't reply yes to our first SMS that goes out, that's not a problem, because we have 3 more, sometimes 4 more follow-ups to go out to get that yes from them, because follow-ups is important. People are not going to reply back on the first SMS or first try, so you need to follow up with people. So that's what we do here with our backend automation. Is the first SMS is going to go out after 10 seconds of them becoming a lead, which is going to go something like the following. Hey James, it's Mark from XYZ Contracting. Thanks for requesting a free consultation for a kitchen remodeling project. Just reply yes to confirm you have the correct phone number and we'll get your free consultation scheduled. Now the system is going to wait for them to reply with a yes. If they don't reply to the first follow-up, we're going to have another follow-up in 10 minutes, which is going to go some like, still interested in free consultation for your kitchen remodeling project, reply yes, and we'll get you scheduled. If they don't reply to that, we're going to have our last follow-up, which is going to say, hey, this is our last follow-up. If you're still interested in a free consultation for your kitchen remodeling project, reply yes, or call us at the following number and we'll get you scheduled. Now, just so you know, everything is automated. There's no humans involved. So this runs 24/7. Now, for the leads that put in, invalid phone number or just reply they're not interested or just opted out, they just go down the trash. Our end clients don't even see them. And that's about it. Now, if you own a kitchen or remodeling company and you're looking to consistently generate more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a 10-15-minute phone call with me or somebody on the team, where we'll just go over a quick phone call, see if this is a right fit, see where you are, where you're trying to go, see if we can help you out with your business goals. And that's about it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.